Hi everyone, this video is about slope. So if you are looking at the homework, it might look different than mine, but we're going to be talking about how to get slope from a graph. So another word that you might see for slope is rate of change. Alright, because slope measures how steep it is and the difference between the y over the change of x. So we're talking about change, how much it's changing. Alright, and that rate, that means it's a fraction. We write as a fraction. So when we say rate, you always want to write as a fraction. So I'm looking at number 1 of your review. This is what we did. We're doing on Monday before your practice STAR test tomorrow. So we're talking about rate of change, okay? So I have this line, alright, and you can already see the points on here, okay? You pick 2 points. That's your first step. Pick 2 points. Alright. Now on here, I know the point's already there, but again, you're picking 2 points. So the points have to go, it's easier if you pick them through the axes, so through these right here. If it doesn't go through here, the line has to go through these, then it's going to be hard to read. So I already have 2 there, and then I draw a triangle, and that's going to help me figure out the rate of change. I put how many rise over how many run. Alright? That's the formula of slope. That's the difference of these over the difference of these. So rise. So rise would be this way. Always is up and down. And run is horizontal. So it runs this way. Okay, if you run, you probably don't run up. You run left. You run right. But you don't run up. Okay? So let's count. Now, here, the axis is a little bit different, right? So it goes from 250 to 300, that's 50, alright? Another 350, that's another 50. So the rise for this slope, for that rate of change, is 100, alright, 100, because I'm talking about this, over how many I'm running. Well, how many am I running? I'm going from 2 to 3, so I'm just running 1. Okay? So that would be my rate of change. Now, I also have to take into account slope man. So, slope man looks like this. You might have positive slope. That's why we put a positive symbol. Alright? You might have negative slope. Or you might have undefined. Or you might have 0. 0 looks like that. Alright, so this one we said 100 over 1. That's your slope. I put my pencil on top of the line. Okay, it looks more like this one, so that means my slope is positive. That's all you have to do for that one. Alright. I'm going to show you slope on another problem. That way you can know how to do another one. Alright, so I'm going to actually go to number 11. Okay, so I'm on number 11. I'm looking at graph D. I'm going to zoom in. So again, you're going to pick 2 points. Alright, now it's not as bright so you can't see, but there's your line. You're going to pick where it crosses through this. So we can only start here. Alright, I would say yeah, that's a point right there. That's not, because the line would have gone this way. Where's there another one? For sure, I have one here, and I have one here. For sure. The other ones, I don't think they end up crossing. Why? Because this one misses it just by a hair. This one, just by a hair. I think that one misses it too. You have to be real careful. I don't think they actually crossed. Would have had to cross right there, and right there, and right there. It just doesn't get close enough. So for sure, these 2 points right there. So I draw my triangle. You could draw it this way, or you could draw it this way. as long as you're following the lines that are already there. So I go this way, then I connect them. Okay? That's pretty much what we're doing. We're measuring how steep this line is, okay, by counting what's the rise right here. So we count. These are going up by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that'd be 5 over. How many am I running? That means how many am I going? So rise is going this way. Run is going this way. So let's zoom in again. And let's count. 1, 2, 3. Alright? So again, I would look at SlopeMan to tell me if it's positive, negative, 0, or undefined. In this case, I already have that, so I know it's not going to be 0. Right? So put my pencil on top of it. Alright, which one is my pencil? No, it doesn't look like positive. It's not vertical. It's not horizontal. It looks like this one. So that would mean my slope is negative. Thank you for watching.